guys, welcome back to my channel again. You know, it's your girl Malika. I just want to welcome those who are new to my channel and welcome all those who have been here. So guys, I'm on the beach today doing this small intro. I just want to say I thank you guys again for being here. Also, I will be announcing the 3 winners for the credit that I said I would be giving out. So the first person is Kemar and Moon Drip and Brian. So guys, I'm going to leave my Instagram name below, so you can just hit me up on my Instagram. Be sure that you click the follow button so that you can be able to message me, and so we can work out how you guys will be getting your credits. So yes, also I want to be also saying that I will be having a Father's Day discount sale for all those who want the information. You can go on my Instagram page and just hit me up so I can give you the info on all of that and the prices and all the specials. So guys, I just hope you guys enjoy this video, and also don't forget to subscribe. There's a button right over here. Click on that button to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Ensure to like the video and leave a comment down below. Bye. Welcome back to my channel again, and for this recipe we'll be using these ingredients and these utensils. So we're gonna be using some cane sugar, some granulated sugar, butter, eggs, milk, baking flour, salt, baking powder, vanilla, and I'll be using that tin for today. I'll be using my stand mixer, but you can go ahead and mix this by hand. I'll be using my sifter, my measuring cups, and my spatula. So without further ado, let's get to the video. To start off, we're gonna melt about 3 tablespoons of butter in our pan, and we're gonna be adding an half cup of sugar to this and spread it out evenly in our pan. So guys, after we're finished spreading the sugar to the bottom of our pan, we're gonna go ahead now and we're gonna add our sliced pineapples. You can pre-buy these pineapples in a tin from the store, but I went ahead and buy my own natural fruit, cut them, and I'm going to place them at the bottom, and then after we're done, we're gonna set this aside and start on the batter for this cake. So guys, to start off our batter, we can go ahead and add 1 stick of butter to our pan. Then we're gonna be placing our mixing bowl onto the mixer and mix this for a few minutes to get it a little bit fluffy. So after a few minutes, we're just gonna go ahead now and add our sugar, and we'll be adding in 1 cup of sugar in this recipe. Haven't subscribed or liked this video yet? Just go ahead and do that right now, guys. We're just gonna be putting this on the mixer and mixing it for a few minutes to get the sugar incorporated with the butter and get it nice and fluffy. And we're just gonna scrape around to ensure that they're well mixed together as well. So guys, after we're finished, we're gonna take it off the mixer. We're gonna mix it for a while to ensure it's incorporated properly, and we're gonna be adding in our first eggs, and I'll be just adding in 2 eggs into this mixture. I'm gonna mix this and I'm gonna stop, add the other egg and mix it again. So guys, after we're finished adding in the eggs, we're just gonna be adding in our flour. And to this recipe I added 2 cups of flour. So we're just gonna go ahead, take out our flour, and we're gonna sift it into the sifter. So after the flour sifter, we're gonna go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of salt, and then we're gonna be adding in 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And we're just gonna get this all sifted and mixed it into the flour mixture. Adding in a half cup of milk to the mixture, and then we're gonna be adding in 1 tablespoon of vanilla. So now that we have made this mix for about 2 minutes, we're just gonna stop it. We're gonna scrape the bowl, ensure all the ingredients are incorporated into each other. Then we're gonna mix it for about 1 minute again, and then our mixture is done and ready to go into our pan. So guys, our mixture is now ready to be poured into our pan. We're gonna be pouring it into our pan and we're just gonna be smoothing it off. I went ahead and did that, and I also made a mess on the table, but don't worry, I'm gonna clean it up and then I'll come back and I'll show you. So guys, I went ahead and did this. I'm tapping it on the surface to ensure no air bubbles are there. We're gonna bake this in the oven for about 35 minutes, and I'm doing a crazy dance, so don't mind me. Guys, this is the finished product, guys. I hope you like it. I went ahead and I released the sides from the tin by using a knife, and I flip it over. So here's our pineapple upside down cake, guys. It's so soft and delicious, and it smells amazing. Guys, I hope you like this video. Remember to like, share, and comment on my videos, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.